Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Friday, April 12th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I'm still very, very bullish on the yen, of pretty much all the yen pairs in general, but now the dollar's going up pretty strong also, which is helping the yen pairs, the dollar yen, push up also. My target is still the 156 area. Let's take it down to the weekly time frame and I'll show you why. So on the weekly, one of the most important things to see is that it is definitely still higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Definitely still an uptrend. I think the next area of resistance is going to be the 100% Fibonacci extension, which is actually at the 155 flat. So my next area of resistance is right around 155 flat for the next possible area of a pullback. So going down to the daily time frame, even on the shorter time frames, we are definitely still making higher highs, higher lows. I am definitely would not go long right now. I would have to see a pullback, but I am for sure looking for longs on shorter time frames, at least until we get up towards that 155 area. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, if it does go down and break structure, that's actually good for us because that would probably be the beginning of a crutch into the uptrend. Like I said, I think we're going to continue the uptrend at least until the 155 area. Now, it doesn't have to go down now. It actually might be more likely that it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and I will definitely continue to look for a pullback entries on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, we've had some pretty decent little entries. We had a little three-way pattern there, little three-way pattern here, little three-way here, a kind of a big stretched out three-way pattern back here. That is exactly what I'm looking for entries to go long. I would definitely not try to go long right here, and it does. I don't even know if it's going to go down now. It could easily just keep on drifting up, but when it does make a pullback, that is going to be where I will be looking to add to my position to the long side for what is most likely a wave 5 on the much, much higher time frames. But like I said, I think the 155 area is a pretty likely target for this move up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.